Welcome back, drone fans. Today it's all about the attitude indicator. Stick around, as there's plenty left to learn. Aircraft such as planes and helicopters use what is known as an attitude indicator. Since we cannot be on the outside while flying the craft, we need a way to find out whether or not the craft is banking or pitching or leveled. By the end of this video, we will be masters of understanding the attitude indicator offered on the DJI Mini 2, or any DJI drone for that matter that uses the attitude indicator. This helps us to navigate as we fly through the air. If we look closely at the indicator, we see north, south, east and west as cardinal points on the attitude indicator. The home point is a general direction of where we launched from, so if we fly out we can always use it to carefully come back to our launch point. The triangle in the middle represents drone's orientation, with the top of the triangle being the head of the drone and the bottom of the triangle being the tail of the drone. This icon tells us which direction the drone is pointing with regards to head and tail, as seen here as the drone turns right to left. Next is the controller icon. This icon is very important as it helps us to determine the orientation of the controller in relation to the direction that's pointing to the drone. This feature helps the pilot to keep the controller pointed perpendicular to the craft as much as possible. In doing this you will ensure that you get maximum signal. Now it's time to explore how the attitude indicator reacts in relation to the three positions of the drone. In this example, the wind is coming from the right, so the drone banks to the right to compensate for the push force that it's experiencing in order to remain stable in the air. Pitching happens when the drone is either going forward or backwards as seen here in the video. And finally, the drone is considered leveled if it is neither pitching or rolling. Remember, you always want to have the wind coming towards you when you're going out, so that it can be behind you coming back in. So remember, the next time you go offline, pay close attention to the attitude indicator. Until then, it's Jam Dung Drones over and out.